Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Ling. Simple recipes, easy to make. Today I'm going to share with you salmon teriyaki, one of my favorite Japanese dishes. Salmon in Chinese, 三文鱼. Let me show you the ingredients. I have one salmon fillet, and I'm going to serve with slices of carrot and broccoli. For the sauce, we need light soy sauce, honey, you can also use sugar, and mirin. This is a Japanese cooking wine. For salmon, you just need to season with a little bit of salt. Now I'm ready to cook. Before I make the sauce, I'm going to boil my vegetables. Carrots first. Cook about 3 minutes, then we add the broccoli, cook about another 2 minutes. Now we're ready to make the sauce. Heat up the pan, and we're going to add half cup water and 1.5 tablespoon honey. And 3 tablespoons light soy sauce. And 2 teaspoons mirin, Japanese cooking wine. Actually, Japanese rice wine. So it has a sweet taste. And we're going to bring this to boil. After about 3 minutes, I add the broccoli and let it cook about 2 minutes. Meanwhile, our sauce is boiling, and we just need to thicken with a slurry. This is potato starch with water. You can use almond powder or flour. And our teriyaki sauce is ready. I'm heating up the pan to high. I'm going to pan sear the salmon. And I'm going to add some oil. Let me put in the salmon. Don't need to move it. We'll cook about 3 to 4 minutes till the color change, like halfway. Almost 4 minutes. You can see the salmon cooked almost halfway. Now let's flip. Wow, beautiful. And we're going to cook another 3 to 4 minutes. After about another 3 to 4 minutes, our pan-seared salmon is ready. Now let's assemble our dish. I have some rice. And let's put our salmon on top. Wow, is that beautiful? And we'll pour some of our teriyaki sauce. Even on the vegetables. That's salmon teriyaki. I'm ready to try it. Piece of salmon. rice. Broccoli, carrots. Wow, so crispy. Cheers. Perfectly done. Pan-seared salmon. Teriyaki sauce is perfect too. It's supposed to be savory and sweet. Accompanied with my vegetables. Great dinner, right? I think my sauce is a little bit thick. You can add just a little bit less slurry, make it more loose. Delicious. Love it. Salmon is so rich in omega-3. It's good for heart and also good for skin. Please leave me comments below. Let me know if you ever had salmon teriyaki, if this is also one of your favorite Japanese dishes. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.